Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram if it won't load. To know how to fix Instagram if it won't load, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click force stop. When you will click here, you will go to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.